Welcome to Elocksecurity. Here is in the method. I would like to introduce the automatic Elock smart door lock to you. You see the outlook is a unique design. Here it's very special. This handle. You can see the light. The pattern is very clean and easy to use. You can see the size here. It's very narrow, special for aluminum door. And also, this lock can install outside because it's waterproof IP65. And here you can see the multi lock, Euro-standard multi lock. And here, simple design, professional. And this is multiple smart lock. And you can see here the camera. We can use face to unlock. I tried. Face to unlock, and then lock it. Code to unlock. And a finger to unlock. Fingerprint to unlock. And a card to unlock. And the key here can remove and use the key to unlock. The button can remove. And also you can see here this handle. Here the button to lock and unlock. This one is lock. The handle is automatic to lock. And automatic to unlock. This is a magical smart door lock. And we provide an adjustable price to help you extend your market. Contact us for more information.